folks. I snuck back down here last night. Welded for about 2 hours, so I got out of here about 12:30 last night. There she is. All welded in there. I'm probably going to come back in here and trim this bottom off. I may or may not, I don't know. I just need to come back inside. There's a few spots in here that I need to finish welding. Like right in here. I need to finish this up. Anyway, yeah, there it is. We have a new rocker. Rocking and rolling. So glad to get that done. That's for sure. Alright, there she is, folks, and happy Memorial Day, and go work on your project. Catch me on the next video.